Okay, what's up guys? We are here down near my garage, and I just wanted to come down here to show you something. So I brought obviously the DJI Pocket 3 with the wireless mic. I brought down my Nikon Z30 on a tripod, and I brought down this light here, which is by smallrig. It's called the 10W Max, and what it is basically, if you think of like a flashlight, but gobo wise, this is like a gobo. So I'm going to show you guys what it does. I'm going to take some selfies, and I'm going to use the gobo just kind of show you what kind of things you can do with this. So it comes with different these circular things that you put on front of the light, and you'll get like different shapes. Sorry, it's kind of a mess, but I had to put it somewhere. All right, so it comes with this little rubber piece. I'll show you that. Okay, it has this little rubber piece, right? And so the rubber piece expands and opens up, and then you take your other piece here, like the gobo pieces. I believe it comes with 27 of these. And you pop them here on the front. So there's a little slot right there. And you can see like the little piece here has a little loopy loop. And here, there's like a little slot that goes into. So we pop that in like that. See that? It's in there. And then you mount this, and you just kind of push it onto the front of the light. So push this onto the front of the light, and this light is also rechargeable, and you recharge it by USB-C. I believe it does come with the cable. Okay, and you fit that on there. It's a little snug. It's rubber, right? So you get that on there. Now, to turn this light on, it's not just the fact of, give me 1 second. It's not the fact of just holding the button. There's a silver button here. You don't just hold it, it'll turn green, right? So say if I turn it green, you would think that it's on, but technically it's not on. You have to push it fast and then rotate the light, right? So I'm gonna push it, it's green. Now rotate the light fast. You gotta rotate the light fast, right? I don't know why it's not coming on for me, but rotate. Okay, I don't know what's happening, guys. You're supposed to rotate it, and it's supposed to turn on. And I did charge it before I brought it down here. There we go. Okay, so now, yeah, you rotate it. So I don't know if you can see this wall, but you can see that pattern on the wall there. Now you'll know it's either you can make it brighter, and once it's blinking like that, that means it won't go any brighter because it's only 10 watts. You turn it down. And now you see it's dimming, right? So it won't go any dimmer than this when it's blinking. So vice versa, the higher you go when it's blinking, that's the highest that it's gonna go for you. So you turn it up, right? Just like that. Now, another thing that you can do with this light is there's a focusing where it focuses, right? And all you do is just pull the light out, and it's gonna make it smaller. You bring it back, it's gonna make it, you know, wider or bigger. So you pull it back, and that's basically like how to make the gobo thing sharper or brighter. And it has different colors, so it is RGB. So you have red, you have like a sunset color here, you have a blue, then you have your daylight here. So I'm gonna just be going through the two colors, the daylight and the sunlight. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stand back there, just kind of shine it on my face, and then show you the results of what I get. So just see what I do. So I'm just gonna set it up here. I'm actually gonna bring up my tripod a little bit higher. I'm short, so I'm gonna bring this up the highest it can. This is a portable stand, by the way. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna bring up the brightness right about there. Let's see. Just kind of rotate it right about there. So I'll be standing here and just looking directly into the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the Nikon Z30. And then the lens that I have on the Nikon Z30 is the kit lens. So this is the 16 to 50 kit lens here. So we're gonna take a shot with this. So I'm gonna put it on a timer, 10-second timer. And actually, let's see, maybe I'll make the tripod a little bit taller. And I think I will actually try to shoot on the wall here. Let's see. I think I'll bring it this way. Right about there. Okay. And we'll have the camera facing this way. Right about there. Then I'm gonna bring the camera up at an angle just a little bit here. We're gonna see what we get with that shot. Okay, so we're gonna have to bring up the brightness on the camera. So I think right now I'm at ISO 800. Okay, so we go to release mode. Only thing I don't like about this camera, it doesn't give you different self timers. Like some cameras will give you 5, 6, or you can just do a custom self timer. This one doesn't have it. It's 10 seconds only, and that's all you get. So we're gonna go ahead and take a test shot. See what that looks like here. So I think I'm too far over. So let's bring this light here a little bit more. And maybe bring up the brightness. And see if I'm in frame. Let's see where we at here. So, am I on the wide? Yep, I'm on the widest that this will go. So, we need to go here a little bit more. I don't like that, so I wanna maybe bring it up a little bit more. How far should I go? Okay, we'll try that. Dang, that went so fast. That is super fast. I don't know why. I don't like that. Let's just try it from this angle. Yeah, we'll try that angle. Let's see. I want to bring this up more, actually. It's too low for me. So we're going to make the camera higher. I also will leave the link to where you can purchase this stuff on my pages or my platforms or wherever you're watching this at. I'll make sure I'll leave the link for you guys to see. Okay. Right about there. Now I'm just trying to make sure I have a good angle so you can at least see my face. We're gonna bring this down. I want to rotate it more or back it up. Maybe, let's see. Yeah, that's okay. Let's take one shot. Take another one. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna take a couple more and just see what we get. Maybe I'll place this behind the camera and see how that goes. All right, so that's daylight. We're gonna switch over to the sunlight. Maybe rotate this camera back. Let's see here. There we go. Give me a little bit more room. All right, so now we're just gonna angle, do a different angle here. So I'm thinking right about there. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer too so you can see what we got going on here. So I'm gonna close this door so I don't fall through it. So okay, all right, so we're gonna switch up the pattern we have here and just kind of go with the circle pattern. try this angle. I don't want the shadow. We'll do this side. I like this side better. I mean, why have a tattoo if I'm not gonna show it off? Now, I don't have to have the little rubber piece on there anymore. I can actually take that off. So you don't have this little cutout piece at the bottom. So I should probably put this behind the camera. And honestly, I like to experiment when I'm shooting. Cause I have big shoulders, I gotta make sure I'm doing it right. I don't want to look too sassy on camera. Still got the mic on too, so if you see the mic in the pictures, don't mind the mic. This is experimental stuff, so yeah. But I think I got enough pictures, to be honest with you. So I'm not even sure what else to tell you guys, but it's a great product. I like using it, it's fun. I'm actually gonna be using it on Saturday for one of my clients for a shoot that we're gonna be doing. So yeah, so go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and all that. So whatever platform this is gonna go on to, just make sure you guys follow me. So I'll leave all my links in the description below, and then yeah, like whatever you wanna like, you know? Peace.